What is going on, moto friends? Spring has sprung. That means the trees are flowering, the bees are buzzing, and my allergies are acting up. It also means that it's time for new spring motorcycle gear from DAINESE. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing video of some awesome new gear that I got last week, and please note I buy all this stuff with my own money. No one pays me to do reviews. If you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned, I'm going to be doing some unique motorcycle gear review videos. If you're familiar with other channels' review videos, it's some real animated guy at a desk spinning the item around talking about the tech specs, or it's some random person in the basement of their house in some dark room. I'm going to be doing these review videos on my motorcycle, showing you how the gear functions, how it looks, and I'm also going to have my special assistant telling me if this gear is going to be hot or not for the street. So let's get into the unboxing. Let's start with the smallest box first. I ordered this gear about a week ago, and it took about a week to get here by UPS ground. DAINESE offers free shipping for larger orders, so I was able to get this stuff for free. All right, packing material. Little small box first, a gray balaclava. Let me show you that thing. I think it's a good idea to wear a balaclava to save the liner of your helmet and keep it cleaner, especially if you're sweating a lot and have oily hair. You can get that liner really smelly and gross, and then it's a pain in the ass to have to disassemble the whole thing, wash the padding, reassemble it all. So if you wear one of these balaclavas, you can keep your head nice and cool and keep the sweat from coming in. Oh, look at my little cat there. I don't know if you could see her on camera there, little cute thing. So anyways, that's the first item. Next, we have these Druid 4 leather gloves in large. The first gloves that I bought were the short ones that go up to here, and I don't think those are as safe as having gauntlet gloves, especially if you go down. So I bought these nice big gloves. Let's see how they look. Comes with a nice little hanger, some instruction material, a little certificate of authenticity thing with a hologram in there. Here's the gloves. I'll show you a closer look in a second, but these look really nice. I got the yellow and black color scheme because I like brighter colors that kind of pop, so these look really promising. All right, on to the next one, a slightly bigger box. So let's see what I ordered from here. This one came from Italy, actually, by DHL. Sometimes they ship from different warehouses. This arrived sooner than the other box in about 2 days, which was really nice. So let's see what we got in here. So some more packaging material here. There we go. A Pro Armor 2.0. I didn't have a back pad in my jacket, and most motorcycles don't come with back pads, so I think it's pretty important to have that, especially for slides. It can save your spine a little bit. So this is really nothing to say much about that. Maximum protection, lightness, ventilation. So I'm going to pop that in my jacket later on and let you know how it kind of molds and how it moves. So there's this item, and then this. Oh yes, this I'm excited about. So when I first got my BMW motorcycle, I had a little credit to get some free gear, and I bought some really inexpensive boots. They were all right, BMW Motorrad branded. They were waterproof and looked kind of like sneakers, but I wanted something with a little more protection and something that I could tuck my jeans and riding pants into, because the other ones, the pants kept coming up and kind of snagging the top of the boot. So I got these things, the Torque 3s. Look at these boots. These are some sexy boots. And again, like I said, I like bright colors. I like colors that pop on the motorcycle. So it has this really lovely blue, kind of plastic material with nice red accents, which matches this Ducati pretty nicely. It's a little more fluorescent, but it also has the magnesium inserts here. And these are replaceable too with the screws, which look really nice. Nice rubber sole on these. So I'm excited to try these on. These are really, really nice looking boots. The last box I'm going to do up here, I'm getting older, my knees hurt, I can't be crawling around on the asphalt, so you get the idea. So let's check out what's in this one. All right, let's see what we got here. And we have another box. So let's see what it is. Ah, nice, my helmet from AGV. So this one is the K6 Joan Black Blue Yellow. I wear a size large, so let's check out how this thing looks. Comes nicely packaged. And comes with this AGV protective bag here. So let's pop it open and see what that helmet looks like. And again, no surprise, going with the bright color theme. It's spring, it's summer, I want to be visible. Let's see this thing. Whew. Look at that. I think this will be perfect with all the other colors that I have in there. That fluorescent yellow, yellowish color is going to work nicely with those black and yellow gloves that I just showed you. Then we have the blue, which might accent the blue boots on the Torque 3s that I just showed you. And then the red touches here on the AGV Italian flag. That kind of works nicely with the motorcycle. So overall, really pretty helmet. And the first kind of thing that I feel is just how light this thing is. I do own another AGV helmet, is the Sport Modular one, which I can show you when I do the full review of this. And this actually does feel lighter. So here's the helmet. Unboxing is done. So tune in, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be doing some in-depth reviews, as I mentioned, on this stuff. So you don't wanna miss it, it'll be fun. Thanks for watching.